How to remove the top bar blue microphone symbol on iPhone? Hey there, this is Eve and here is how you can turn off the blue icon on your iPhone. Now if you want to remove that from your iPhone, please try out only these handful of steps. So let's get started. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Voice Control, toggle off this option. Check if Hey Siri is enabled. If voice control is already disabled, the blue microphone symbol may indicate that Hey Siri is activated. To turn off Hey Siri, follow these steps. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Tap on Listen for Hey Siri. Disable the Hey Siri toggle switch. This will turn off the voice activation feature for Siri. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. After following these steps, the blue microphone symbol indicating voice control or Hey Siri should no longer appear in the top bar of your iPhone. Thanks for watching.